All right now. What y'all are checking out, what y'all reading, is from Yo Sultan, Fifth Corner Pimp. Pimp stand for put nigga minds proper. This is a writ that I wrote to challenge the jurisdiction of the court in the state of fake ass Florida. On some bullshit you trying to take me to trial for. But you know it's all an act of fraud. And you know what's gonna happen in the end. You know in the end they can't win. In the beginning they don't stand a chance. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go into detail with it because a lot of these cats be out here talking that uniform commercial code and they don't know nothing about challenging no jurisdiction. They don't know nothing about contesting these motherfucking frauds, these fraud ads, these clowns out here. You heard me? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead on and break it down for you. You know?
Imagine making it big and you thinking it's all. I'm gonna tell you it ain't big. You got everybody in the world.
All right.
But understand, these people feel what they don't know.
They feel what they don't know. They feel what they can't understand. You heard me? State of Florida versus Sultan Shaheed Al defendant in proper person, challenge the jurisdiction. Authorities on which the defendant stand. 1787 Morocco Treaty of Peace and Friendship. United Nations Declaration of Rights of Child, Principle 3. United Nations Declaration of Rights of Indigenous People, Article 6. 1790 Free Moorish Sundry Act. Moorish National Zodiac Constitution, Articles 2, 6, and 7. 1787 United States Constitution, Article 6, Section 2. 1789 United States Constitution, Amendment 1, 4, 5, and 9. United States Constitution, Article 1, Section 8, Clause 3. 1838 Florida Constitution Preamble. Authorities of which the state of Florida stand on. Florida Statute 784.04, Paragraph 1. Statements of fact and law. The defendant, Sultan Shaheed Al in his juror capacity, hereby make the special appearance, not general appearance. The challenge jurisdiction establishes justice, invoke and enforce constitutional law. Special appearance. A party makes a special appearance before a state court for the sole purpose of objecting to the court's jurisdiction over that party. 2. General appearance. A court appearance by which a party submits to the jurisdiction of the court, especially by asking for any relief other than ruling that the court has no jurisdiction over the appearing party. This was originally filed on August 19, 2019. All right. Improper person, Sultan Shaheed Al is a free sovereign, Moorish national, not sovereign citizen. Moorish national, indigenous deemed, aboriginal being of not a mixture, not a freedman resident, or a person that can be named in Florida statute. This code does not have a jurisdiction over the defendant because the term person does not include sovereign, or Moorish national, aboriginal, indigenous divine beings. Florida law states 2019 Florida Statute Chapter 106.011 definition that's used in this chapter. The following term has the following meaning unless the content clearly indicates otherwise. 2019 Florida Statute Chapter 106.001 Paragraph 14. Person means any individual or corporation, association, firm, partnership, joint venture, joint stock company, club, organization, estate, trust, business trust, syndicate, or any other combination of individuals having collective capacity. The term includes a political party, affiliated political commitment, a political committee, end quote. The words aboriginal, indigenous, Moorish, national, and sovereign are not included in the Florida statutes. Well, quote, is without jurisdiction, its acts and proceedings are void. Its acts and proceedings can be of no force or validity and are a mere nullity and void, not vulnerable even prior to reversal, whether the lack of jurisdiction appears on the face of the record by proof outside of it, whereby rendering any court order issued null and void. And further, this court should take mandatory judicial notice of the judge's decision of the following United States Supreme Court cases. 1. Yukwin and Wulan versus Hopkins, 118, United States, 1886. It says, quote, sovereignty itself is, of course, not subject to law, but it is the author and source of law. But in our system, while sovereign powers are delegated to the agencies of government, sovereignty itself remains with the people by whom and for what all government exists and acts, end quote. 2. Valley versus Northern, Southern Marine Inc. Company, 204, U.S. 348, 1920. Says, quote, once jurisdiction is challenged, the court cannot proceed when it clearly feels the court lack jurisdiction. The court has no authority to reach merit, but rather should dismiss the action, end quote. Conclusion. The defendant in proper purpose, Sultan Shaheed, Allah demand that the court prove on the record and provide hard evidence in writ that a sovereign, aboriginal, indigenous, Moorish national can be named in a statute, and that the court has jurisdiction. Therefore, I, Sultan Shaheed Allah demand that the court dismiss this case on pursuant to and out of the United States Constitution and authorities which the defendant stand. Said and done by Sultan Shaheed Allah. All right. Now, I want everybody to take note of this here. This is how you properly challenge the jurisdiction. The court has jurisdiction over the subject matter. The subject matter is what happened in the so-called crime, but they don't have jurisdiction over the person because a Moorish national aboriginal can't be named in the statute, like I put on this writ, all right? Now, this fake-ass judge right here got the audacity to deny this, okay? Now, I want you to peep something in the authorities which the defendant stands upon. The authorities which the defendant stand upon is their own oath of office. You know what I'm saying? Their own oath of office is the United States Constitution, Article 6, Section 2, that states that every judge in every state is bounded by. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't understand how you could be a official that took an oath on the Constitution and denied your oath of office and still proceed with the case. So basically that's fraud. That's basically they have self-incriminated themselves, you know what I'm saying? The whole thing when you challenge the jurisdiction, you want to go to the referee, which is the judge, and box him in. Now this case is still continuing, so I ain't gonna go into much detail on it, you know what I'm saying, to after the conjunction of it. But case number is on there in the file, and you can look it up on your own if you think that you're Sultan out here playing. You dig? I'm coming for the fucking juggling van. I'm sick of you fucking imposters running out, ruling our shit. It's our time, Moors. Rise up. Islam, ourself, Lord and Master. And I'm a gangster walk all through this motherfucker. You heard me?